Want to create a video like this? I'll show you how you can create this video in After Effects. Let's get started. Open After Effects and select New Composition. Name the composition. Set the preset to Custom. Change the frame rate to 60. Set the resolution to full. Customize the video duration. Select the background color, then click OK. Next, right-click on the composition, go to New, and select Text. Name your text layer and place it in the center. Navigate to Character, where you can adjust the size of your text. After that, navigate to Effects. In the Expression control, select Point Control. Right-click on the text and click on this. Press Alt plus click on Source Text. Here, you need to write this expression. Pick Whip to the point control. Add square brackets with the number 0. You'll see the number is 960, but we need to change this. To do this, navigate to Point Control and click on the stopwatch. Select the number where you want to start your counting. Move the playhead a bit further. Navigate to Point Control and change the number from 0 to 5000. Now, we have the animation. To add a glow effect, navigate to Effects, then Perspective, and click on Drop Shadow. Change the shadow color and click OK. Change the softness from 0 to 200. Click on Drop Shadow and then press Ctrl plus D. Here we have the result. To export your video, click on File and select Add to Render Queue. Click on Render Settings. Set the quality to Best and the resolution to Full, then click OK. After that, click on Output Module, select the format to QuickTime, and then click OK. Click on Output and select the path where you want to save your video. Now, click on the big Render button. It will take some time to render and export your video. Here you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more tips like this, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.